हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू असा एजुकेशन। इस वीडियो में हम रेनिन मार्टिन की हाई स्कूल ग्रामर जो बुक है उसकी एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करेंगे। ये हमारी पूरी सीरीज है जिसमें हम हर वीडियो में अपनी एक्सरसाइज जो है उनको एक एक करके सॉल्व करेंगे। इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस सेपरेट द सब्जेक्ट एंड द प्रेडिकेट। शॉर्ट फॉर सब्जेक्ट एस, predicate P. The crackling of geese saved Rome. The crackling of geese, subject, saved Rome, predicate. The boy stood on the burning deck. The boy, subject, stood on the burning deck, predicate. Tubal Cain was a man of might. Tubal Cain, subject, was a man of might, predicate. Stone walls do not make a prison. Stone walls, subject, do not make a prison, predicate. The singing of the birds delight us. Singing of the birds, subject, delights us, predicate. Miss Kitty was rude at the table one day. Miss Kitty, subject, was rude at the table one day, predicate. He has a good memory. He, subject, has a good memory, predicate. Bad habits grow unconscious. Bad habits, subject, grow unconsciously, predicate. The earth revolves round the sun. The earth, subject, revolves round the sun, predicate. Nature is the best physician. Nature, subject, is the best physician, predicate. Edison invented the phonograph. Edison, subject, invented the phonograph, predicate. The sea had many thousand sands. The sea, subject, had many thousand sands, predicate. We cannot pump the ocean dry. We, subject, cannot pump the ocean dry, predicate. Borrowed garments never fit well. Borrowed garments, subject, never fit well, predicate. The early bird catches the worm. The early bird, subject, catches the worm, predicate. All matter is indestructible. All matter, subject, is indestructible, predicate. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Islamabad, subject, is the capital of Pakistan, predicate. We should profit by experience. We, subject, should profit by experience, predicate. All roads led to Rome. All roads, subject, led to Rome, predicate. A guilty conscience needs no excuse. A guilty conscience, subject, needs no excuse, predicate. The beautiful rainbow soon faded away. The beautiful rainbow, subject, soon faded away, predicate. No man can serve two masters. No man, subject, can serve two masters, predicate. A sick room should be well aired. A sick room, subject, should be well aired, predicate. The dewdrops glitter in the sunshine. The dewdrops, subject, glitter in the sunshine, predicate. I shot an arrow into the air. I, subject, shot an arrow into the air, predicate. A barking sound the shepherd hears. Shepherd, subject, barking sound hears, predicate. On the top of the hill lives a hermit. A hermit, subject, on the top of the hill lives, predicate.